Hi everyone! Thank you for joining again. Now this is our fourth day of a 5 days to better reports with Canva. So one more day tomorrow and we're done. But yep, today we'll be focusing on generating a report content and magic insights using Canva AI tools. So now since before is we are building the report and structuring the layout using the tables, charts, sheets, designing the report, and now the content itself. Of course, the report is nothing without the content, 'di ba? Syempre yun yung pinaka heart of the report. Yung mga ginagawa nating design is just to make it pop up, just to make it visually appealing and presentable. But now, of course, we need help. We need the Canva AI to do the heavy lifting, which is the very hard part. Is yung nga yung magre-research ka ng mga contents, gagawa ka ng introduction, ng summary, ng insight ng data, observation ng data, then the conclusion, 'di ba? From the top to the bottom, or yeah, first page to the last page. So this is our big feature na kailangan natin ma-maximize, or yeah, ma-utilize natin when creating a report. So let's start with today we'll be learning about the Canva AI, Magic Write, Ask Canva, and Magic Insights. So on the first day, I was able to discuss the Canva AI naman na and how to use it. So let's start using it again. 'Di ba previously on the day one, this case, etong ginawa kong case na to na nag-come up ako ng ganitong report, all of the input in here, the data in here are all from this one. And this is just generated using Canva AI. Nag-input lang ako doon ng mga ganito. Let's show it to you. So for accessing the Canva AI, it's either here, dito sa panel. Dati nakikita ko siya dito, pero today di ko maalala kung yesterday ba nandito siya. Pero parang today na napansin ko, ba't wala siya dito sa gilid? Alam ko nandito lang siya sa gilid. But today, di ko siya makita. So dito tayo sa may left side na panel or dashboard tool. So yeah, click the Canva AI here, and then you can just type. So while on the Canva AI, it's not just about the content. You can do so much more in generating a text or content sa Canva AI. Diba? You can also generate design here. And kunyari sa design, pwede ka mamili, is it a social media, a presentation, a marketing, card invitation, logo, learning activity, and so on. There is also an image. You can ask Canva AI to generate you an image, ganyan-ganyan, anong style, anong size, ratio, di ba? And this one is what we are doing now is for a documentation. So it's either a blog post, a summary, an outline, social post, description, article, strategy, story, script, pitch, lahat. You can ask Canva AI to help you with that. You can also do code, 'di ba? So this code, yeah, maraming. If you are an innovative, you have some that kind of you na gusto mo mag-innovate ng app, mag-innovate ng website, something that you can touch on, so you can try this one. Sobrang easy lang. Meron ka na kagad nagawang website or na app. You can also use video clip. O, di ba? So, sobrang ang dami mong magagawa in the Canva AI. So, yeah, maraming option for you to customize. Currently, yung 16:9 pa lang meron. Framing, lighting. Okay, so let's go back dun sa focus natin. So, we are asking Canva AI to write as a content. So, for example, so since sinabi ko naman on day one, that's the very important thing na kailangan nating first step is dapat meron ka ng draft ng anong content mo. Pero kunyari wala ka pa or gusto mo palang i-polish, so you can have Canva AI to write that for you. So let's try again. For example, we're writing write a case study, ito i-search type na natin, write a case study report, ayan, with a topic for economic stability, postponement, and emerging among generation in the Philippines, and then give me an introduction, action, methodology, um, history information, methodology. Okay, so just for example, ayan lang naman nalagay natin para lang mapakita ko. So you can click here. There's an option then what information should Canva use to answer? So either sa web, live information from the internet, or general knowledge conversations will not use extra web or Canva sources. So let's try the web. Let's try. Let's check. Ang ginamit ko nakaraan dito is yung general knowledge. Ngayon, let's try the web. So, dito sa web, probably magbibigay siya ng mga references, combination of articles to come up with this report. So, he is now drafting our Canva doc for case study. Ooh, so meron na. So, let's try clicking that. So, may pa-design na din siyang ganito. May introduction, may methodology, history background, data and survey results, conclusion. Kaso wala siyang conclusion. Ay, wala siyang binigay na data. Try lang natin mag-ask, can you provide data of women and percentage? Ano percentage? Hmm. During 1950, 1926. So, really, so put in a table. Put in a table, then. So, syempre, isa-isayin lang natin, hindi natin siya papagawin muna ng chart. Pero kung gusto mong magbigay na siya ng chart, pwede na rin naman na. So, ito ang lumabas. So, dito, ayan, di ba? Pag ginamit natin is general, hindi pa general, yung live web. So, ibig sabihin, there is resources from the internet na pwede nating i-quote doon sa references or resources where we get the data or the content from. So, this make our report credible. Lalo na sa kunyari sa mga defense, sa mga students, 'di ba? Yung mga case study report or yung mga ganyang case study na research, na web research, 'di ba? And this is also helpful. So, ayan, kunyari, meron na tayo. Itong binigay niya na table data, indicator year, merit, presentation trend, increase for concern, trend, trend. How about kung sa ano kaya, sa general web, ay sa general um, knowledge. So, let's go out. Tapos punta tayo ulit dito. Tap ulit natin yan. Presentation survey results. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung ano. Hindi na yun. General knowledge. Tingnan natin kung anong difference nila. Or just the same. Kasi yung sa akin, kompleto yung binigay. Binigyan din ako ng table na ganito. O iba lang din kasi siguro yung ginawa kong prompt. Yung kompleto to. Kompleto yun. Okay, sige, let's see. Nasaan na yun? Where is the, ito yung binigay sa atin. May introduction, methodologies, to call information, survey data, key findings, representative young adults, report delaying marriage. Okay. Can you provide a detailed data using a table? List the survey result from 1950 to 9 to mm, try lang natin. So, kung kunyari hindi ka pa satisfied sa binigay o may kulang sa kailangan mo, you can keep asking and then they will keep producing. So, let's say, ito yung bagong binigay. Musical, ayan. So, nakuha natin. As, basta kung magiging detailed ka lang. So, pwede naman nilang ibigay yun. Basta maging detail lang. So, between 1950, career focus. So, merong difference between them. So, the result, bigyan tayo ng reasons. Ano yung reasons ng why they delay? And then, between those reasons, ano yung who among the male and female says or why they says that. So, during 1950, both, oh no, not pala both. So, most of the male, the answers because economic stability, that's why they delay. Oh, so 1950, most of the male is pinakamataas na why they delay compared sa lady, 10%, 373 why they delay. So, mostly siguro male, female gusto pa maging, pero meron ito yung mga reason naman why. And the rest still, pagdating natin sa 2026, oh, medyo nagbago. Sa pagdating ng 2026, um, medyo mas marami ng sumasagot na female. For example, dito sa career focus, there are more majority kaysa sa lalaki na sumagot na career focus, education, and personal freedom. In case of the economic stability, ladies, hindi naman masyado, pero at least 60%. So, mataas pa din naman. So, you can copy. So, let's try using this para lang mapakita natin how we can use this. So, for example, you have this data na, you have this content na, you can just copy them in your report. Kasi you can have your report naman na here sa doc. But if you want to upgrade the design, kasi ako mas prefer ko mag-design outside the doc kasi mas nakakapag-design ako dun ng maayos, parang mas free. Tingnan natin dito. Pag dito hindi, tingnan mo, 'di ba kunyari ito, i-remove background natin. Hindi siya na-remove background dito. Or kunyari just na-remove background pero hindi mo siya mamo-move. So, kunyari gusto ko siya sa gilid o gusto ko siyang ilagay dito, hindi ko siya magagawa. Hindi siya gano'n ka-flexible. Kaya mas gusto ko nag-e-edit mismo dito sa hindi 'yan, dito. Para mas flexible ako kung saan ko lalagay yung mga design, yung mga elements, 'di ba? Compare dun sa doc. Kasi yung doc is just purely a document, 'di ba? So, ayan. So, you have that na. So, in case, for example, lalagay natin siya dito, ano ba yung next natin? Next is meron na tayong methodology. So yung meron ako dito sa data ko ay sa case ko is the data na, papunta lang sa data, historical overview of marriage trends in the Philippines. So for example, ito gagamitin natin 'to, survey data reasons for marriage postponement. So with that, let's go to our, so 'di ba 'pag gagawa tayo ng design, we wanted it to make the same. So kung meron ka naman ng data, or I mean design on the previous page, you can just copy them naman na dito. 'Di ba? Isusulat mo na lang naman siya diyan. So copy natin 'yan. Lagyan natin siya dito. Of course, that is too big. Puwede mo na siyang ganyan din, pero ako kasi gusto ko na one line siya. So, kung hindi siya kasya sa one line na 'yan, you can either make it smaller or create another line. So, lagyan mo lang diyan, survey data. So, siyempre dahil dalawa na siyang line, you can change the color of this one. Lagyan natin yung ube. Ayan, tapos copy natin 'to, para lang merong dynamics. Ito, 'yan, survey data. So, medyo palitin lang natin siya ng konti, then this one a little bigger. Okay. So, kunyari meron ka ng survey data, tapos balikan mo ulit. So, susulat mo lang 'to dito. Balik tayo dito. Oops. So, 'di ba 'pag gagawa tayo ng mga text box, so siyempre kung gusto mo yung text box, you can, wait lang, medyo na-o-OC ako. Parang gusto ko siyang ng ganito. Anyway, so ganyan na lang muna. Kunyari, puwede naman na diretso na text na lang na ganyan, tapos ije-justify natin. 'Pag ganyan. So, kunyari hindi siya maganda tignan. So, siyempre ang style kasi ng atin, so dapat unified, ano pa din, uniform. So, ang style kasi ng report natin may mga boxes na ganito. So, dapat yun yung gagawin natin if you want your report to be as the same. So, ito yung sa'tin, i-a-align lang natin. So, I think align naman siya. Position, let's go to the layers and put it up. Yan, yung text na sa taas. Yan, drag mo lang. So, yan. Lagyan natin siya diyan. Ba't siya naka-center? Yan. Kung ano yung size ng text mo dito, should be the same din. So, ito 24.2. So, dapat 24.2 din 'to. Or could be a little ano pa. So, ganyan. 'Di ba? So, parang super siya liit ng 'di ba? So, minsan talaga nauusi ka sa design mo. Basta kung ano man, basta meron ka lang heading, subheading, ganyan. Okey naman na 'yan. Okey na 'yan. Tapos, so siyempre ilalagay mo na yung data, pero ito yung para ma-emphasize lang natin yung magic, yung tawag dito, yung Canva AI content. So, 'di ba natutunan mo na yung Canva AI, nag-produce na siya ng text or ng full report sa'tin. But in some case, kunyari hindi siya accurate or may kulang, you can click this Magic Write. Sa Magic Write, meron siyang mga drop-down, options dito na you want to transform the text, rewrite the text, fix spelling, continue writing, shorten, more fun, more formal, change the voice. So, you can pero kunyari dito sa atin, we want to, kunyari gusto mo i-transform mo yung text, gusto mo palitan pa na, but the following table summarizes the survey results, including summary, portion of funds. I think medyo okay naman na siya. Pero kunyari for the sake lang na, mapalitan natin siya, puwede rewrite. Ito puwede kong rewrite, magbibigay siya ng, additional or, another variation. The following summary outlines the survey, puwede mong more like this, papalitan mo ulit, or this, but I want to include, ganyan, ganyan. So, you can customize then if, it's still not, in your taste pa, 'di ba? Parang gusto mo pang may mas better pa. So, you're free to do that, and once you've decided na kunyari eto nagustuhan natin 'to, we'll just replace it, and then it will be applied in here na, 'di ba? So, easy. So, just click the magic write, click the text, and then magic write. Then ayan, you can do transform the text, you can prompt another na naman, or continue writing para may additional siya. In the 1950s, stability, ganyan-ganyan. O, di ba? Meron ka ng additional contents, but this is too much. So, like, this, but make it short. Short and concise. Di ba? Parang ganyan. Tura mo lang siya. 1966, oh, so, kunyari, nagustuhan mo siya. Okay, insert. O, di ba? So, meron ka ng additional content. Pero you have to format it lang. So, di ba parang ganyan, hindi naman siya maganda tignan kapag nasa ano na, magpapakita ka ng survey data. So, dapat medyo nasa baba na lang siya. Pero 'pag ganyang mga introduction for the survey, mas okay lang mas short siya. So, yung mga additional text should be on the next page or sa ibang ano na lang, sa ibang page or sa ibang section. So, since kunyari okay ka na dito, then ang next natin is applying this table, which is we have use or yung kahapon, hindi kahapon ba yun, the other day, yung sa data, 'di ba? So, with this one, click lang natin 'to kasi we are now moving forward sa Magic Insights. So, Magic Insights, so we need the data. Siyempre, for us to be easy na sa pag-ano, sa pag-prepare nun, we need the help another. So ano na natin, 'di ba? Maximize na natin yung help Canva AI. Is ibigay na natin lahat sa kanya. So, kinopy na natin yung data dito. Yan. So, copy ka paste mo lang. Kunyari, ayan. Ah, tapos, oopsie bear. Iko-convert natin siya into sheet, 'di ba? Kasi from table, wala pa tayong masyadong magagawa. So, you have to convert them into sheet. So, once they're converted into sheet, ayan na. We can, ayan, ito yung mga data natin. So, once converted to sheet, we can click this action. Sa action, there is a magic chart with charts which is na-discuss natin na if you want to improve the the charts that we have here, since this one is just a table pa lang or a sheets pa lang, a list down sheets, a general one. So you can improve this. So what now is we will do the magic insights. So what magic insights is, they will they will um they will understand this table, and then siya lang yung magbibigay ng summary or ng insights or observations ng table na 'to. Pero siyempre, trends do you see in the data? Visuals can create a chart from my data or summarize my data. Puwede namang ito, diving into the data. So, it's either kung wala kang idea what to put, so meron naman silang mga prompt naman na puwede mo i-click. Pero kung kunyari you have a detailed instruction, you can put in there pa na, "I want my insight, create an insight or observation for this section or for this column," ganyan-ganyan. Pero dito, ayan, so they have, ayan. So, with the Magic Insights, they have provided you this one. Your data shows a clear upward trends cross measure, ganyan-ganyan. Trends over time, all measures economic stability, career, ganyan. Gumawa din siya ng suggested chart which you can customize then later kung gusto mo pa siyang improve. So, rising measures across over the year. Mas maraming from 1950 to 2026, most of the reasons nila why they delayed the marriage is the economic stability. The next in the run is the career focus. Then by the 1975, nagkaroon sila ng between education and career. Ooh, for 1980 ata yan. Tapos gender difference, and then So, he dive in on the data we have here. Diniscuss niya yung trends over time, and then the gender differences, gender split by measure in year, career focus in 2026, ayan. Education and personal freedom closely linked, female, ayan. So, if you're okay with that na, you can copy that. So, babaguhin mo lang siyempre hindi mo naman ilalagay sa report mo na your data shows. So, you can improve lang that na the data shows clear upward trends, ganyan, ganyan. So, lagyan mo lang siya dito. So, kunyari dito is wala ng space. This one is just the overall tag dito is your main database. And then you can proceed, for example, on the next page to describe it more. So, kunyari yan, lagyan natin dito. The data, kaname. So, make sure na yung second page is already a good, try natin, is already set. So, ilalak natin yan kapag gumagalaw siya. Yan. So, make sure na set na siya para hindi na siya gumagalaw. Diba? Kunyari, copy mo na lang. Yan. Dito, ayan. The data shows upward trends over time. Siyempre, gagawa ka ng title para ma-distinguish or ano mo lang siya. Divide, ano, pwedeng orange kunyari. Ooh, that's too bright. Pero, ano pa ng what's in the, huh, sa color. Wala naman to sa color palette natin. No, no, why? No, why? Bakit napuntang ganyan? Ayan. Gawin natin. Oh, what ganyan? Eto, pwede naman, pero it's not in the color palette natin. So, siguro ito na lang. Tapos, change mo lang yung color into brighter para merong contrast. So, kunyari, ayan. Tapos, balik ka lang dun sa Magic Write, saan dito? Sa data. Dito. Magic Insight. Ayun, my goodness. Sa Magic Insight. Kasi nawala siya. Ayan. Tapos, copy mo lang din to dito. Copy mo siya dyan. Add chart to the new person. No, 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 not presentation. To, nandito lang. No way. Ayan. Tanggalin natin to. Okay. So, ayan. So, meron ka ng data, meron ka pang summary ng data. Diba? O, saan ka pa? So, syempre, kung kunyari walang space, you can change them naman. So, customize them depending on how you like it and how you present it. Diba? So, now we have already discussed last time yung how to customize this table or this chart. So, depending on how you want it to be presented. Okay, so you can also add background color dyan kung gusto mo palitan. Kunyari ganyan. Or you want it black, tapos palitan mo yung color na sa inside, magiging white. Diba? So, many, 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 many things. So, kunyari, okay na nagawa mo na to, na-add mo na yung Magic Insights, you're done now with the content. What else? What else na kailangan natin matutunan pa dito? Is kunyari ayan 'di ba, okey ka na-add mo na lahat 'tong mga 'to, na-copy paste mo na siya. Kaya sobrang helpful na meron ka ng naka-ready na from introduction to the summary and even the data para copy paste ka na lang, lipat ka na lang dito para i-design, 'di ba? So much better. Tapos after niyan, kunyari tapos ka na lahat, you can now utilize the Canva, the Ask Canva. So nakikita niyo si Ask Canva here. So whatever you click, lumalabas si Ask Canva. O yan 'no, kung ano yung i-click mo, you can ask Canva. So kunyari you want to ask Canva the whole page. So sa Ask Canva, you can just click kunyari, ayan puwedeng create a caption, change style, parang, na-extension ni Canva AI 'no. Pero ako usually yung ginagamit ko Canva, check my design, my whole design, uh, design in this page and suggest, gosh, what needs to be improved, ganyan. So mga simple yan lang. So you can ask like your question, or he can be your mentor, your trainer, 'di ba, your teacher, you can ask anything, and then he will do that in there. So now he's finalizing, he's probably checking what needs to be done in here, mga ganyan. So sabi niya, the soft watercolor background is lovely, but the text blocks feel a bit heavy against it. Maybe lighten the look by giving the big white text box a bit more breathing room so the chart and headings don't feel squeezed together. So, 'di ba, nakita natin. So, by that, asking Canva, you can utilize and improve your design na makikita mo. Kasi syempre, yung minsan yung preference natin would not be good then sa preference or sa eyes ng ibang tao. So, you can ask Canva, ayan, ask Canva to finalize the look of your design, to improve what needs to be improved, 'di ba? So, ganyan. So, sabi niya medyo squeeze daw. So, we have to make a room for in between the heading and then the text box. So, make ano daw, maybe lighten the look by giving the big white text a bit more breathing room so the chart and headings don't feel squeezed together. What if pa ganito po? Hmm. Ayun nakita niyo yung numbers na lumabas, so may difference. Ayun yung space in between. So you can also consider that. So ito try natin. How about now? Ayan, ganyan reply mo lang. How about now? Can you breathe? Try nga natin 'yan. Can you breathe? Teka lang. Is the design feel lighter and squeeze? So you can ayun lang, parang you can ask back and forth and he will answer until you're okay na. Minsan mahaba pa 'yan, sabihin niya pa, "Change the color," feel like that. Sabi niya, ayan, nag-reply siya, "It does feel lighter now. The big white text area has more breathing room and the chart sits more comfortably without pushing against the text above it. Softer spacing makes the watercolor circle behind everything show through a bit more, which helps the whole feeling come." Diba? So, if you're okay na, and then yung suggestion based on your topic is okay na din, then you can just click sa resolve and then it's done. Then if you're okay with everything na hanggang conclusion, then you're done. We're done you with the report. Congrats. So that's for our day 4. We have discussed our where is my yan. We have discussed the Canva AI, the Magic Write, Ask Canva, and Magic Insights. So for tomorrow is the last day, but di ba ba't may last day pa? Tapos na natin ngayon, na-discuss na natin ngayon. Tomorrow is we will build the whole report using my um hindi kasi kaya kapag kasi 1 hour lang ang kailangan sa video natin. So, hindi ko kaya 1 hour if we will do the whole thing step by step kasi medyo matagal. Siyempre mag-iisip pa tayo ng additional design. So, what we will just do is etong design na ginawa ko, I will redesign this, or just the same, as in just the same. I'll just show you how I made this one from ito napakita ko naman na sa inyo 'to nung day 1. how I created this. So tomorrow we will proceed and how I did the second page, the methodology, this one, this one is the workspace pala. Asan ba yung pinaka regional ko? Ito ata. Ayan. Ayan, ito, and ito. Which is the same kung paano ko ginawa naman kanina. So, ayan. And then the conclusion, just how I created it. So, if you just want to, kung gusto mo tumambay, so, ayan, i-recreate lang natin yan. I'm gonna reuse this data or this information I have in here. So, kunyari yan, ito lang yung meron ako, then i-design natin yun with the same look on the report I have. So, yun. So, if you have a question, drop a comment or you can PM me. And yep, I look forward for another content for a mini series on how to use Canva or anything that you can learn from Canva to help in your business, to help in your school, to help in your work and anything personal or something that makes you money or bring you money. So let's do it. Thank you. You have a great